Okay guys, today's problem is not from your regular textbook. This comes from the Chinese Math Olympiad, one of the toughest math competitions in the world. So students there don't just solve the questions, they play chess with math. So today we are not just solving a problem, we are thinking like the Olympiad champions. So let's come to the question first. Question says that let x belongs to minus 5 by 12 minus pi by 3, then the maximum value of y equal to tan of x plus 2 pi by 3 minus tan of x plus pi by 6 plus cos of x plus pi by 6 is what? There are four options. Option A is this, option B is this, option number C says this, and option number D is this. And we have to calculate the correct one for this question. Okay. Okay, just give me a second. We are given what? We are given x belongs to minus 5 pi by 12 and minus pi by 3. Right? And we have to find the maximum value of y equal to tan of x plus 2 pi by 3 minus tan of x plus pi by 6 plus cos of x plus pi by 6. Okay. Now looking at this, brain says, ma'am, I respectfully resign from mathematics. But don't worry, we're going to break it like a biscuit. Okay, so let's do what Olympiad students love. Change the variable cleverly. Now let z equal to minus of x minus pi by 6. Okay, now why this substitution? Because we see x plus pi by 6 everywhere, so we want to simplify the expression. Now given x belongs to minus 5 pi by 12 and minus pi by 3, right? Now convert it to z. After substitution we get what? X belongs to pi by 6 and pi by 4, right? Now whenever you see multiple trig terms with the shifted angles, try the substitution to reduce the chaos into simplicity. Okay, now come to the first term, tan x plus 2 pi by 3. So this becomes what? Cot z. Okay, and the second term is what? Tan of x plus pi by 6. So this becomes minus of tan z. And the third term, cos of x plus pi by 6. So this becomes cos z. Right. So the final expression becomes what? Y equal to cot z plus tan z plus cos z. Right. Now we know that cot z plus tan z is what? 2 by sin 2z, right? Now this identity is gold in Olympiad. Cot x plus tan x is 2 by sin 2x. Always remember this. Okay. Now this becomes what? Y is equal to 2 by sin 2z plus cos z, right? So if you remember the identities like this, you don't solve the problems, you destroy them. So now we check the behavior of 2 by sin 2z and cos z. Okay, so for z belongs to pi by 6 and pi by 4, sin 2z is basically increasing, right? So 2 by sin 2z is decreasing. So and cos z is also decreasing, right? So when two functions are decreasing, their sum is also decreasing, right? Since the function is decreasing, maximum occurs at the smallest value of z. So z equal to what? Pi by 6. Now substitute y is equal to 2 by sine pi by 3 plus cos pi by 6. So we know that sine pi by 3 is what? Root 3 by 2. And cos pi by 6 is what? Root 3 by 2. Right? Now we will do the calculation. So we get y equal to what? We get y equal to 2 by root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. So this will be equal to 4 root 3 plus root 3 by 2. Now take the LCM. So we get 8 plus 3 by 2 root 3. Okay, so this is 11 by 2 root 3 or 11 by 6 into root 3. Okay, so this is the final answer for this question, that is our option number C. Okay, so we have just solved a classic question from the Chinese Math Olympiad. We will discuss about a new question of Chinese Math Olympiad in the next session, so that will be very beneficial for you. Don't miss that out. So see you guys. Bye bye.